The case against a teenage murder accused has again been adjourned. 18-year-old Tristan Hounslow did not appear in Toowoomba Magistrates Court today. His case was briefly mentioned and adjourned until late September. Hounslow is accused of stabbing a 32-year-old North Toowoomba man in January. A Queensland scientist is leading the way to future-proofing the world's beer supply. He's discovered a gene in some barley varieties that provides immunity to the crop's biggest disease threat.
This barley crop might look healthy, but in reality it's been stripped of nutrients by a disease that has the potential to wipe out a third of barley crops Australia-wide, leaf rust.
Leaf rust can be devastating.
Thanks to Queensland scientist Dr. Lee Hickey, the disease could be a thing of the past.
A super barley that's resistant to leaf rust.
Dr. Hickey discovered a gene in certain barley breeds, RPH20, which provides immunity to the disease and can be reproduced.
And allow breeders around the world to more effectively and efficiently introduce this gene into barley varieties for growers.
Currently, fungicides are the only tools farmers have against rust, which plagued Queensland crops in 2010.
Farmers had to spray their crops up to 4 times to try to control this disease, and even then it wasn't enough.
Resistance is a lot more environmentally friendly.
It's a boost for Aussie farmers with potential global implications. In Australia, barley is mainly involved in the production of beer and stock feed, but in developing countries it has a far more important use. In countries in North Africa and Southwest Asia, it's their primary source of food. Industry advisor John Agnew hopes the discovery will increase barley production across the state.
So we're looking to give the growers confidence to go back into barley and grow barley.
Even the world. Georgie Chumley, WIN News.
State Agriculture Minister John McVeigh says he's confident an outbreak of red witchweed has been contained. The weed was discovered for the first time in the state in the north in recent weeks and could pose a major threat for grain and cane growers.